Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make a Scandinavian house with a vertical shading. First of all, we have to click this rotate rectangle, click from this origin and drag to the another side. We can type 7 meter and move the cursor to the behind around 12 meter and enter on our keyboard, and we can click this surface and push it up around 6 meter or 6000 millimeter, because I use the millimeters units in my SketchUp. Okay, then we can click the line and make the middle line on the midpoint in here, and then we can click this middle line and we can select okay, we can select move down for this both of this line, and then we can select move it down until this position maybe around 2000 millimeters. Okay, so this is the small Scandinavian house, or we can make it more higher than before. We can make it more higher. Okay, then we can click this line, this perimeter of this line except this bottom line. Then we can click this offset and offset it inside around 300 millimeter and enter. Then we can click this surface and push it to the front around 300 millimeter also. Okay, then we can click this line and select move, type control, click this line again and place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, and after that we can click this line and place to this position. We can extend this line with using line tool, and we can click this line on the bottom in here. Okay, this is the line on the bottom. It has a 3 line that we have to select with using the shift key on our keyboard, and then we can select move, tap control, click from the bottom until this position. Okay, then we can click again this line, and then we can select move, tap control, and we can type 2.4 meter. Okay, so this is about the door or entrance, so we can make the middle separation or middle dividers in here, because it has a 2 door glass in here. Okay, and after that we can assign about the wooden materials in here, or we can adjust about the orientation of this texture, so it could be a realistic texture. Okay, so for the basic texturing you have to see about the potential of this texture. Okay, so if you are adjust for the texture perfectly, it would be a great appearance. Okay, then we can assign about the glazing materials in here, and we can also assign with the another materials of the roofing. Maybe we can use this one for the roofing. Okay, just like this, or maybe we can select for the another materials. Okay, something like this, and then we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then we can make the vertical shading in here. We can use the rectangle and click from the middle in here and place to this position. Then we can push it to the another side. We can give a thickness around 80 millimeter. Triple click, right click and make group. And we can assign about the materials. We can right click, make component, create. Okay, then we can select a move, type control and place to this position. Then we can type 20/ and enter. So this is about the vertical shading, and we can make the another frame in here. We can make the another frame, can make group and assign about the wood and move it up again in here, and we can also make the another shading in here, and we can make more thickness than before. Okay, something like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.